Welcome to the Pacific Mountain Regional Council General Meeting 2020, being held online through the platform Whova. This tutorial we're going to take a look at one of the features of Whova that makes it a little more like a meeting you're used to, and that's the exhibitors. So if we look down if you're on the home page here like I am, and you look down the left hand side, you'll see the menu, and one of those options is exhibitors. And if you click that, it will take you in to the exhibitor section. So this is kind of like that hallway or other room or back of the room where you can learn about different organizations or different groups that have information that you might be interested in. And so we've got a few exhibitors in right now. Not all of them have entered their information, so you are going to want to keep coming back and check out the offerings here. But I clicked into exhibitors, and you can see there's the list down here on the left, and then the exhibitors booth over here. So this exhibit, Affirming Connections, has a video that I can watch. They've got some information in here and a website, contact info, so I can get in touch with those folks as well, and also a handout, some affirming books and media resources if I wanted to download that and take a look at some of those offerings. So the exhibitors is just a great way to see what else is going on, make connections with folks. You can explore these different places through the exhibitor booth area down the menu on the left-hand side.